So, today we're going to make oat milk, and we only need 3 ingredients and 1 equipment. I have here some filtered water, some quick cook steel cutouts. I prefer these for making oat milk because they're more whole. The other ones get a little bit too mushy in the blender. And about 2 tablespoons of sugar. I like brown sugar, but that's mostly because that's just what I have. So next, I'm going to take this nut milk bag, probably costs like $5 or something. It'll save you so much money making your own oat milk. Oat milk is ridiculously expensive, but this is probably less than $1 per bottle. Probably like 50 cents. And you're just going to pour this in. Take this. Then I rinse out the blender real quick so that I can transfer this into a proper jar. So you got some beautiful oat milk, nice and lump-free. Then I just take same jar I did the filter water in. This just used to be a juice jar. Fresh, organic, preservative, flavorings-free oat milk, super cheap and super quick. Ah, but how does it taste? Delicious every time. It kind of tastes like a sweet liquid oatmeal, or like rice milk a little bit. I highly recommend it. It's my favorite milk. I don't even like store-bought anymore.